Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by updating Snapchat and confirming you're logged into the account you use most. Once done, subscribe to Snapchat Plus if you want fewer promotional features, then open Settings and disable interest-based ads inside Snapchat. Next, go to your phone's privacy or advertising settings and opt out of ad personalization system-wide. These steps don't remove every ad but immediately reduce targeted placements and promotional boosts, so you'll see fewer and less relevant ads right away. Once you've adjusted account and device preferences, focus inside the app. Unfollow and mute discover publishers or creators who push sponsored content. When an unwanted ad appears, tap Options and choose See Less or report it as irrelevant. This trains Snapchat's algorithm to show fewer of those ads. Clear Snapchat's cache and revoke unnecessary third-party integrations that increase sponsored content. Make sure to periodically repeat these actions. They compound over time and change the feed composition to minimize ad impressions. To complete the process, restart Snapchat and verify your Snapchat Plus subscription or setting changes took effect in account settings. If ads persist, reinstall the app to remove cached rules and ensure your device's ad personalization is still off. If problems continue, contact Snapchat support and mention your subscription and the specific ad types. Also, make sure you're not using a VPN or region setting that affects ad delivery. Troubleshooting tip: if targeted controls don't apply, double-check a
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.